The question is this: should I delete my LinkedIn profile I have now and start all over again? And I'm going to give you my answer to this question. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button. I create all of these videos for you. Oh my God, do not delete your LinkedIn profile and start all over again. That would not be the best thing to do. Unless, of course, your LinkedIn profile is totally irrelevant to who you are today, and all of the content you have shared over the years, all of the conversations you've had, the messaging, the comments, and the replies are totally irrelevant to who you are today. And these are all ands, not ors. And if the LinkedIn network you have made is totally 100% totally irrelevant to who you are and what you do today. And that's a big whole pile of qualification points. Your profile is completely irrelevant. Your content is completely irrelevant. Your network is completely irrelevant. But for most of us, that's not the case. It may be a little irrelevant, but we can change our profile just by rewriting it. Our engagement may be somewhat irrelevant to who we are today, but it's relevant to who we were in the past. And we built connections through that engagement, but it's not completely irrelevant. And most of the time, our LinkedIn networks are somewhat relevant to who we are. At the very least, they were relevant to who we were in the past, and we again have made connections and built relationships through those connections. So I say absolutely do not delete your entire LinkedIn profile and start all over again. Instead, clean it up. Rewrite your content, rewrite your headline, rewrite your about section, rewrite your experience sections, update your experience sections and show relevance. Go ahead and start connecting with new people who are highly relevant to who you are today and building those relationships as you're connecting. And by the way, nurture those old connections because they may know people in your new sandbox that you need to meet. And start conversations and get into conversations relevant to who you are and what you are all about today. Your LinkedIn profile is all about the journey you've been on, the conversations you've been a part of, the brand that you have been building. Even if that brand has changed a little bit, people trusted and respected you in your old world. They may trust and respect you in your new world. The people you've connected with along the way have built some level of trust and respect with you. That level of trust and respect could continue to grow. And you could continue through the people you've met along the way to get introduced to people that you want to meet moving forward. Do not delete your LinkedIn profile and start all over again unless these three criteria are met. It is totally irrelevant to you. The engagement is totally irrelevant to you. And your network is totally irrelevant to you. If there's any relevance at all, build upon what you've got today and grow it to be who you are and how you want to be presented today. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this is helpful for you.